What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And we're still in December, my people. And I just got enough the year with a look. No, it's not a negative type of video because I don't tell them something I put out nothing negative, right? But we have to come and talk about sometimes the goods and the bad about life, right? And we still have to come talk about the good and the bad about the local country. But people, look on the local seat what I'm saying, you know. At $599 for just this one thing here, so, you know. But with all love them, I could buy all two of them, put underneath all the coconut tree of Jamaica or the mango tree them. So people can just vibe out, you know what I mean? So I always come in them place to get inspiration for the stuff them when them have, you know. The outdoor stuff and how them set up them place and make everything look good. But people don't worry about the ear and the face, you know. My birthday soon come up a boxing day, you know. So we just try to look rugged for my birthday photo shoot and call it a day. You understand, my peeps? So, I can move on. And once again, now my people, I want to say bless up to everybody who keep on liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel and make the 416 team a bill. You understand? The journey is long, but from Father God give us life and health and strength, we'll make it work. Right, my people? Everybody who been watching my videos them from day one, from we are build house and, you know, still a build house all right now. I still can't do it, but thing I make so much nice, man. Oh, God. But then I drop down with me, you know. Oh, so the talk become come to talk about now today, my people. Remember, you know, this is my own opinion. And I can't say I don't know facts or nothing. I just me attack and me I go through the thing, right? The thing what me I try to talk about now right now, my people, is Jamaica. You know, so Jamaica is paradise, and that's what I'm gonna name it, you know. Jamaica is paradise, but some of you people don't see that. And some of you people I make it bad for some of us people who live overseas. You understand? Or even living in Jamaica too straight. You know, say you have people in Jamaica who never, ever, 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 ever go downtown. You know, say you have people in Jamaica who never see the ghetto yet. You know, say you have people in Jamaica, them not watch the TV because of the crime and violence. You know that? Some people you can't tell them say Jamaica is bad or Jamaica is good. You can't tell them nothing about Jamaica because in a them eye everything is right with Jamaica. Because you know why? Them people are rich and have money. Yeah. I mean I talk about the rich scammer them or whoever or the thief them and they rich out. No. These people have the medication, they're rich, and them stay away from bad mind and negative people and negative vibe. So the get of people them now part. Them chill around the bad mind and the negative people them, so you keep on feed it on each other. So by the time you look now, everything just in the ghetto are just bad mind and corruption. You understand? Everything in the ghetto are just bad mind and corruption at the end of the day. You see, no joke at all. That's what I'm always saying, you know. Rich people stick with rich people and rich people talk with rich people and everything good. Broke people talk with broke people and then everything get bad. War and crime and headache and stress. That's not good. So the topic we come to talk about today now is Jamaica is paradise. And I'm going to show you now why. And we're going to wait until it's too late. Because right now, my people, the way how Jamaica is paradise, everybody are looking to Jamaica right now. No? And they've been looking into Jamaica from a longer time. So not just right now, people are looking at Jamaica. You know? People have been looking into Jamaica. You understand? But what really catch my eye this week, why I come and say, you know, a long time I'm supposed to talk about that topic here, you know. Me I watch a advertisement, right? Me I go through YouTube and me just or me on the TV or something I see. And I say at Disney that I make a movie out of Jamaica. And I say them say, oh, with the duck them. And the first thing that them use as the commercial too. The movie start off saying the duck them say, hey, everybody's leaving because you know so duck migrate and migraine or whatever. For certain time a month. Because right now winter time, so the duck them migrate, right? I just part them say them I go. Not Jamaica. So you gotta tell me, say, outside source also. Now stop promote Jamaica, Western Union. My guys, somebody about stop them right here, so remedy. Western Union a bare big Jamaican stuff. The artists them, Jamaica, Africa, Jamaica, the Caribbean, Jamaica. Them even label Jamaica as one of the safest place in the top 2 in the world, say safe. Here's where me I go from now. Because why? And I go on and go on and go on until they sell out the whole of Jamaica. And uno people down there. Uno over here so too. I go act like Jamaica is nothing. And then I say a paradise and really live in. Watch out. When the big winter jacket me have to wear right now. Outside cold and -12. -12. Colder than your freezer in Jamaica. You understand? -12. Imagine all that, you know. -12. Colder than your freezer. Ice box outside we are stand up in. And remember, you know, people have to go to work for that too, you know, brother. And when it's summertime over here, you know, you see Jamaica hot. Over here, it's hotter than Jamaica, you know, kind of breeze now blow, you know. You understand? And over there, really, and mess up the local poor local country with the crime, brother and sister, because no man alone not crime, you know. Man, woman, boy and girl not crime these days, you know, everybody, you know. You understand? And then just, yo, it's like, you go so bam, look for now, alright, watch out. I'll show you anything. Look for St. Elizabeth. Poor St. Elizabeth, my people. Come remember in there here, you know, I talk, you know, so anybody who want vex, you know, start vex from now. You understand? Because I realness and I truth. Imagine now you go so bam now, my people, and buy your piece of land in St. Elizabeth over by Treasure Beach. And you know, it's a tourist area there, right? And you go so bam and you go so, and you buy a nice land, you know. You buy 1 2 square or half a acre. And you go so bam, you spend $100,000 US and you buy a land and bam, you take your time and you build up your 3-bedroom house and put all a pool, because you say, you know what, want a villa, you know what I mean? That, you see it? And then here comes these local unscrupulous. You don't know the name, like a corner boy them. Go so bam, remember in your community, you know, every house around you, so $1 million US and up for them house, you know, boom, now these local unscrupulous corner boy come in your community, come change up everything and mix up and mash up your real estate. No, your house without go for $1 million now. Can't sell for $1 million because be a gunshot and crime go on right there. So now nobody now want to live there. And that them do to St. James. Poor look say Montego Bay. When me and youth grew up in Jamaica, you can't tell me nothing about Montego Bay. Montego Bay a bird are the best. Everybody want to go Mobay. No look for Mobay. Everybody are run away from Mobay, you know. Because them turn the place in a crime and violence and war zone and stress. Poor little people them who have them nice big house and pool house up there. Them not even want they no more. Them none of everybody have to run a gated community. And that the gated community they want, because now them have more rights and more power over uno. You understand? And that's the only reason why I don't like gated community, you know, because you can't do certain things in a gated community, you know. You know, like you live a foreign, no freedom today, you know that, you know. Yes, it's safe, and I don't tell you something already, you know. If somebody look for murder you, or if take you away, best believe that them can lay with you. Find you your work, find you your school, find you your girl yard, find you your man yard, whoever. If somebody really want to take you out of Jamaica, man, they can't wait. But gated community, yes, it give you a peace of mind for your bed, no, nobody not come kick off your door. Because them patrol the area and stuff like that, right? But otherwise from that, them just overprice and you can't do nothing. It's like a fake world you're living in a gated community, you know, a joke. But like me say, to each its own, you understand? But like me say, if me I go buy something in Jamaica, me just buy an apartment uptown and call it a day. No joke. Me just buy an apartment uptown and call it a day and move on with my life, you see? Because I don't see we have a bill of house already and it's not done yet, but we are still a fight on, right people? Back to Back to why Jamaica a paradise. I mean, I have to tell, I have to go nothing to say. Yo, no, because I don't know already. I don't know already. African people want to live from Africa, come to Jamaica, come live. Canada people want to live here. White people, them. American people, them. And say everybody want to come to Jamaica, brother. And uno down there, so I just tally up. You know, how come, yo, you know, sister, the crime rate reach over 1,450 other takeaways in this year alone, you know. Over 1,450 yard. Them say less than last year, because last year I think over 1,400 and what's it, 67 or 74 or 57 so far. But the year not done yet, and every day about it, today again I watch my view TV. Body drop. You understand? So it's like every single day body drop at Jamaica. We don't mess up local paradise. People happy, yo, let me tell you something. When we get a little chance and a little time to lift up from right or so, and a man and a woman all the them like a 2-week vacation break and them say they want to come to Jamaica, best believe, you know, them try to look be the best and most. And now Jamaica alone people can't go, you know, you better believe that too, you know. You have Costa Rica, you have DR, you have the Dominican Republic, you have Bahamas, but the energy, you know, they just like out there Jamaica. The vibe there Jamaica, yo, everybody just want to go to Jamaica. Every Jack, Jill and Joan want to reach Jamaica. And you ask somebody, if you ask 10 people, you probably hear about 7 or 8 people say, oh, Jamaica, them go. If you ask 10 people, well, you're going on vacation, where would you want to go next year? Jamaica. Some of the Caribbean country, them hate with that too, you know, my people. Hate Jamaica because Jamaica take away tourism in the Caribbean, you know, my people. Jamaica take away tourism in Jamaica, in the Caribbean. No joke. How much people, I can't even remember how much people them say come to Jamaica this year. But in the millions of dollars them make. And I talk US. Why you think them a fix up the St. Thomas Road? Because them buy off the sea line, the sea coast. Them a build big mall na St. Thomas. You understand? See all of them are, see all of on the highway, remember you know them start, them some of them places them soon start the construction of a lot of them highway there, a whole heap of resort soon build off of them coastline there too, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. But Jamaica now, fear moving almost to 3 get way. That them have, Jamaica need to get back them self-branding. I don't know how the government or what which politician are got in a power to overcome this infestations of bad mind and negative people where in them people are art. We are going around and do the work in a Jamaica. I mean when I say work, do the damage and crime and violence. And I don't want nobody to come talk say, oh no work na there Jamaica, no job na there Jamaica. No stop lying, man. Job and work there in Jamaica. So don't talk like, oh, Jamaica is just broke and nobody have no money here and you know, stop like. How do you see Lamborghini get flying at Gangana, Jamaica? Lambo. You think me can afford Lambo? Think you can afford Lambo? You probably can, not me. And if I can afford a Lambo, just give me a drive out at one time to, you know, you see it. But yes, my people, I go buy some of these stuff. Some just there come through, come look. These are like the floating shelves. Them you see them there? So I don't buy a couple floating shelves for over the house. Because that's one time I get a one little piece of money, you know, my people, I have to save it up and try to do a one thing here and there, you know. But see floating shelves them my people. Me there Jamaica where they are, me look on them. One piece alone in Jamaica and my people. However 6, 7, 8,000, you know. Look how much you can come and buy it for. $16, my number people. $16, my people. Just for show you. So I don't know, I might have to go, because I don't know if them big, yeah man, it big enough to put all plates and stuff like that pan. So I want some floating shelf in our kitchen. I don't want a cabinet in our kitchen, I want just floating shelves. So I can buy some of my black one them when the time ready. I have to create them and stuff them, you know. But like me some people, please, for the 2014, all me a big my Jamaican brothers and sisters, If you know somebody are going to do bad, talk them out tight. Change them ways, change them mind. But not everybody we can talk to at the end of the day. So some of them people, them just set their mind in a stone, you know. And no matter what you say to them, you know, they're not going to change, you know. You understand? Look how much time the Prime Minister beg and cry and bawl. The politician them, the police them, the soldiers, the man them, the woman them. Everybody tired now, man. No, I could go in 2024 and start the year off with a bloodshed, please. Don't make us start with a bloodshed. I could start with a positive year this year, no man. For next year, no man. Some of them bed here. I think I was gonna buy one of these beds to send down. Well, this is, I think it's a double. I need 2 queen size bed. And look at this one, my people. 2 bills to this, you know, my people. And you say they do not pay until 2025. But a $200 for this bed, my people. You're not getting a mattress though, so don't bother look on that. The one here $5.99. Some of them want me to buy. I have one of them here out in the house already in Jamaica. But I need one nice too, you know, my people. And it's sturdy. Yeah, it's a queen size. Sturdy. Don't know about either, but I don't like the green. Going back on the next side and showing all the place. Look. Yeah, that one not too bad too. I like grey bed. I don't know why, but I know probably the darker grey because it's easy. The headboard them easy to get dirty now. All if you buy something like this, my people, it's easy to get dirty so bad. Yeah, this. Cause remember you know, you lay on it, right? So every time when you lay up on it, oh, this one is not bad too, my people, for $250, eh? You know what you them bed here, Jamaica, my people? It's not too bad still, cause it all lean up on a wall and call it a day. You know how much a bed like this in Jamaica, my people? A bed like this in Jamaica, you pay $70,000-$80,000. And that's just the bed. I not talk about the mattress and thing. Yeah. I want to buy myself a nice pillow too, you know. Some people don't watch the ear and the face and the everything, you know. You don't know, say, like me say, next week I'm work there, I heard strong pan boxing day. So I want to look so until I'm ready for do my photo shoot the week here. For my next 2 days, I'm going to do the photo shoot. Don't worry, I'm going to see the picture them post also on YouTube. So you can look out for that. But that. But like I say, my people, please just bring back Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica should be back. Like somebody tell me, say back in the 60s, Jamaica was crime free. Until the 70s happened and the big war and the politician war and this and that. And you understand? So, may I ask, please, Jamaicans who live in Jamaica, if you have family and friends, please start them out if you don't go murder next man around the corner. You understand? It's very hard, you know, to see what happened to Jamaica, you know. Because when, let me tell you something, so when people invest millions, when people invest millions upon a place, and then they come so bam now, be a problem and argument and stress, that's not nice, you know. It's not nice at all. Certain people may go out in a cold now, because outside very, 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 very cold. But people are just come to talk about a topic to say, oh, bring back Jamaica to what Jamaica was, because everybody love Jamaica like cook food. Every single person. What me know. And then you have some people say, yo, them now go back to Jamaica, period. No joke. You have people say, yo, they will never ever step back a foot in a Jamaica. Because you mean we see on the comment section, you say a man say, yo, Jag, I don't think I'll ever go back to Jamaica, period. And that's sad. Because when I see them type of comment there, you know, it make me feel a way. And then sometimes look, it make me even feel a way to come here and say, yo, I'm here build all house in Jamaica and nobody know how to go there. That not go nice. That not go normal. You understand me? I try to say. So all me I try asking. Bring back Jamaica. Remember my people. Jamaica is paradise. You understand? Watch I talk me, I talking to my people. So you see, Archie, cool that to my people. Cool, you know. So all over yourself be paradise. You know do that unless you go up on the Blue Mountains. You can go say, oh, and frost come out of your mouth. Otherwise from that, Jamaica nice. Yo, me say me there Jamaica right now. Me there Elsha Beach I catch some fish. I'm going to go down on the river right by my house and go catch some fish. Set up my crayfish trap them. And chill out and vibe out and play my music and drink my local liquor. And then when I done, I go back on my yard. Because of that mentality that Jamaica supposed to be happiness. You understand? So please, my people, just stop this. 2024, a better vision we all look for, man. Better vibe, better education, better everything. 2024, positive energy, people. Come on, now, man. Believe no, man. I know it can work, my people, because everybody get frustrated now. And I have enough to hear like that to tell you that straight. I don't care how no one feel, you know, but we have to bring back Jamaica, brother. We can't make the local island go down like that because these crime-filled people, bro. It's not nice, man. It's not nice every single day, so every single day. You watch the news, a man drop, brother. Over 1,400 every year, so. Every year. No happiness in the Jamaica, brother. I want to go on. People kill off themselves over here, so just in the Jamaica for 2 weeks. Man, I'm tell you that. I want to down there murder and kill off each other for no reason. No reason, no day and night, no reason at all. No day and night for you not kill off on yourself. But people, we're not going to continue upon it too long, you know. Just going to end it like that, you know. Straight, you know. Some people, just come to talk and, you know, open their mind up. So, the 2024, when we started with positivity, happiness, cheerfulness, brothers, keepers. You understand? No selfishness. Although in 2024, selfish means selfish, can be done help people next year, you know. That may make them know too, you know. But otherwise, from that, helpful straight. Positive energy straight. You understand? So my people, I just want them to like, share, subscribe to the boy J 4162-8762 Jamaica. You know, my people, you don't know, so it's your boy J, and you don't know, so we always represent for Jamaica straight. But sometimes you have to give the bad side, and sometimes you have to give the good side. And today, no bad side or no good side, it's just real facts. Upon my own opinion, how you talk about. You understand? That's that. So Merry Christmas. I'm going to put out our next video by Christmas time. But I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm not even feeling a Christmas spirit. For sure, you. How the place I move. Everybody broke their ear. Yeah. But people, thanks again. Like, share, subscribe. Like I say, people, share the video. Make somebody hear my voice there, you know. Make them hear my voice. Because we're tired right now. We're tired. 2024 now, I could go down in the region, the park there. I could just be happy now, man. Bring back Jamaica, that is it. Hashtag bring back Jamaica to peace. That. Alright, people, bless upon yourself.